And boom, currently I have the LiDAR system on the cinema lens. Hey, what's going on, folks? Excuse my voice as my mouth hurts a little bit. I have a bit of a mouth sore at the moment, but right now I'm getting ready to assemble the PDMovie LiDAR system on my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the included hot shoe mount that I received from PDMovie, and I'm gonna slide that into this slot right here on this Tilta cage that I have for my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera. Right, now that it's in there, I'm gonna tighten it up a bit. Not too tight though, because now I need to slide in this 15mm rod. So I'll go ahead and place that. If it's not going through, just loosen this hot shoe mount up a bit. All right, I'll now tighten that up. Okay. So I'll turn this a bit more to angle it so that it's centered that way, and I'll tighten it up some more. Looks like I may have reached the limit. Let's see. I can take one of these tools and tighten it up a little bit further. All right, so right now that's good. The next thing that I'm gonna wanna do is go ahead and put on my cinema lens. Right here I have the Suri Nightwalker 24mm for the MFT mount for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Line up the lens with the pins, and there we go. So I chose this lens in particular because if you look at it, you can see that it has these built-in grooves that are going to work great with this follow focus motor. If I was to utilize typical autofocus lens and just set it to manual, like the Sigma 17 to 50mm, well, first off, the problem that I ran into with this is that because it's so big of a lens, the PD with the included 15mm rod, it's not long enough to actually reach the focus dial. And then I'd also need to utilize some gearing or some type of system like this that isn't always reliable when you're putting it on those photography lenses. So before I install the PDMovie LiDAR system, what I want to do is go ahead and insert the battery. So these pins are certainly going to go on the inside because that's what's going to need to connect to the pins on the inside of there. I'm going to just slide it in this way and see what happens. And that was a little stiff, so I'll swap it the other way. Finally got it in there. I'll then slide this motor onto the 15mm rod and line it up with the rings on the lens. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and tighten this up. All right, and boom, currently I have the LiDAR system on the cinema lens.